Okay, you guys remember Daniel and his muscle bike, the blue bi-wing. Got a radial in the nose, he's got smoke in the tank. And he's just enveloping the entire aircraft in smoke. It's a great day for smoking today too, folks. This is a single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. Runs off of glow fuel, which is like a methanol-based fuel. It's not gasoline. Much more powerful than gasoline. Single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. Tom's headed out to the runway. He's got runway clearance, no one else around.
Well, I saw the thing coming out of the sky. It had a one long horn, one big eye. Like a Mr. Shaking.
Look at that pretty thing in the air.
It looks like a purple people eater to me. It was a one-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater. One-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater. A one-eyed, one-horn flying purple people eater. Sure looks strange to me. Really came down to earth.
The Golden Rule out here at the Cookville Flying Club, the Tree Toppers. You can fly anything you want. You can fly it however you want. The only thing that we require you to do is have fun. What's it going to take for you to have fun out here? What kind of airplane you got to fly? How you got to fly it? Just go on out there and have fun. If I see you out here having fun with any kind of airplane that you need, then I'm having a good time. So when Tom takes an aircraft like that up in the air, I know he's having fun. Now we've got Bob coming out in his extra. This is a gasoline engine in Bob's aircraft. Now Bob's going to perform some maneuvers for us that he's written down on a piece of paper for me. And I'm going to try to relay these maneuvers to you guys, and hopefully I don't screw it up. So whenever Bob does get into position, he's going to be doing a 45-degree upline with one roll.
Here we go.
Okay, 45-degree upline. There's a roll. Continue the 45-degree upline. You see how accurate Bob is? Second maneuver is a half roll with a half loop. Positive snap roll. Half roll, half loop, positive snap roll. Third one coming up is going to be a stall turn with quarter roll up and quarter roll down. And there's the quarter roll. There we go. And that's IMAC, folks. That's precision flight. Matt, so Matt just let me know that he does have a target that he's going to be targeting with this parachute, and that target is the ground. Okay, there's Matt's aircraft on the runway. Now it's got a parachute guy. You can see him on the bottom of there. And he's off the ground with the parachute guy. Okay, you guys, bombs away. Look at it. You see the parachute guys coming down? Now, it's really important for Matt to keep his eyes on the plane. Unfortunately, everybody's looking at the parachute guys except Matt. He's going to keep his eyes on the plane. If Matt looks at the parachute guys instead of the aircraft, that would be disastrous. But there's the parachute guys. Got 3 of them coming down. What a beautiful show. What a beautiful show. Okay, Ray seems to indicate he could go even faster than that.
No, you can't. I want to see it right now. Come on.
But there it is. That's a radio-controlled model turbine jet. Runs off of turbine jet fuel. While Ray is taxiing that thing, he has to make sure that he keeps the wheels on the runway. That aircraft does not have 4-wheel drive, so he can't put any of the wheels in the grass. But there you have it, folks. That's what a real turbine jet sounds and looks like, and smells like.